So with Paparazzi Accessories, if you want to start that, the largest starter kit you can buy is $499, and that comes with 200 pieces of jewelry, right? It's pretty nice, right? If you do the math on that, each piece costs $2.50, which you can actually in turn sell those pieces for $5. But that number is actually a little skewed because when you order the $5.99 box, they're gonna charge you a double tax, right, of wherever you live. So it's actually gonna be a little bit more than $2.50. But let's just say you get it for $4.99 with no tax. That jewelry costs you $2.50. Let's talk about the TJB Sparkle Box. All right, so your biggest package is $199.
Yes.
Right. With that, you get 120 pieces of jewelry. It's not 200 pieces, it's 120, but it's also $200 and not $500.
Yes.
But when you do the math with each piece versus the price you pay, each piece only costs you $1.65. With that, you don't have to sell those for $5. You could sell it for whatever a customer is willing to pay for it. 10, 15, 20, whatever they want to pay. So you're getting it for $1.65. And you could resell it for any price versus Paparazzi's best price of $4.99, their best package. And the cheapest you'll get each piece for is $2.50. I want to throw in something else. I want to throw in your reorder. All right, because when you reorder with Paparazzi, it costs, is it $2.75 for each piece?
Yes.
All right, so when you get the TJB Sparkle Box, when you reorder with the main TJB Sparkle Box for $1.99, each piece costs you $1. $1. And same thing as always, you could sell those pieces for whatever someone is willing to pay for it. You make money with the TJB Sparkle Box.
I have to agree.
Let me introduce you to the TJB Sparkle Box. Now, you're probably wondering, what's the TJB Sparkle Box? Well, it's your means to start your own jewelry business. So inside the TJB Sparkle Box, you're gonna have 120 pieces of jewelry, jewelry cards, and jewelry hooks. For further details, simply go to thejewelrybox.live, and always remember, jewelry is the statement. Everything else is just an accessory.